Prove that in two concentric circles. Now, what do we mean by concentric circles?
Circles with
With the
same
same
center.
center. With
Yes.
center.
Circles
Common
with
center.
same centers. So let me draw a figure. Yes, circles having same center. So let this be one circle, and let this be another circle, such that they both have a common center O. Right? Which touches the chord of the larger circle. बड़े वाले circle का you have to make a chord. Chord you know ना? We all know
Yes,
chord.
ma'am.
It is formed by
Yes.
any 2 points on the
Ma'am,
boundary of the circle. Yes. So the chord has to be drawn on the larger circle, which touches the smaller circle. Now the chord of the larger circle is touching the smaller circle, beta. What does it mean? What does it
Tangent
mean?
for smaller circle.
It is a tangent to smaller circle. Touches means point of contact. Touch kara. It is not given that it is intersecting at 2 points or something like that. It is like this, beta. Suppose AB is the chord of larger circle, and it is touching the smaller circle at, let's say, point P.
C.
Let's say this is point P. Now we have to show that the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle is bisected. Now what do we mean by bisected?
AP is
Bisected
equal to
means
PB.
Divided into
AB is
equal
equal
parts.
to A.
two equal parts bisected at the point of contact. Children, that means what we need to show? What
AP
we need
is
to show
equal to
here?
equal to PB.
Yes. So we are given two concentric circles with center O, chord AB that touches smaller circle at P. Clear? We have to show that AP is equal to B.
BP.
G beta. Now to do this, we are going to do one construction. What construction? We are going to join these two triangles,
OA and OB.
OA, OB,
OB.
OP.
OP.
We will join them. So we will be joining OA, OB, and OP.
OP.
Now to show that AP is equal to BP, sorry, we will be proving that triangle AOP and triangle BOP are
Congruent.
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 So,
Yes, ma'am.
triangle AOP and BOP are congruent. Let us see how. Because we have
O equal to OB.
Acha, if we even don't go for the congruency, let us see the another way. We have OP as the radius of smaller circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So OP is the radius of smaller circle. So it should be perpendicular to the tangent AB.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
The
Yes,
first
ma'am.
property. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Radius is perpendicular. Radius is perpendicular to tangent. So it will be perpendicular. G.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And in class 9, you have done a theorem. Class 9, you have done a result that if we draw a perpendicular from center to the chord, then this perpendicular does what?
Bisect.
Bisects.
Bisect the chord.
Bisects the chord. So I am not joining OA and OP. Because if you want, you can join OA, OB, prove these two triangles to be congruent. That is one way. Another way is we can directly apply the result we have done in class 9. So it will be better if we apply the result of class 9, that perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. Perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. So directly we will get that AP is equal to BP. We'll get AP is equal to BP. Yes, beta? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us just write it down. So we have as radius is perpendicular to tangent, as radius is perpendicular to tangent through point of contact, therefore OP is perpendicular to AB.
Yes,
OP is perpendicular to AB. This means that's enough. Bracket में लिख दीजिए for smaller circle, because tangent is to the smaller circle.
Yes, ma'am.
And as
yes, ma'am.
Perpendicular from the center bisects the chord, therefore AP is equal to BP, and this is for larger circle because the chord is for larger circle and tangent is for smaller circle.
Smaller circle.
And finally, write in the terms of the question asked. This implies AB is bisected at P, which is
Point
your
P.
point of
Point of contact.
Hence, proof. Yogendra, please stop beta.